So Mr. Sarthak, question number 11. What sum of money lent at 5% for 3 years will produce the same interest as rupees 900 lent out at 4% for 5 years? Mr. Sarthak, how should we do this?
Yes, sir. So first we'll find out the SI for the second part. So SI equal to 900 into 4 into 5 upon 100.
So this is the principal, this is the rate of interest, this is the time. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
So this would be 5 for the 20. 20 into 9 is 180 rupees. So your interest is 180 rupees. Okay, what next?
So it will be 180 equal to P into 5 into 3 upon 100.
Is it correct?
Yes.
So this interest 180 rupees would be the same interest which is for the first part. The first part is what sum of money. So you have to find the principal and the rate of interest and the time is given. Interest is as per the second part. So basically in this question you start the second part first and then you come to the first part. So P would be equal to 180 into 100 upon 15. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
And then you cancel 15 1 that to the. So your principal is 1200 rupees. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Great.